In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma Design to WordPress tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to take a completed Figma design and turn it into a working WordPress site using a plugin with clear guidance and a few helpful tips to keep everything smooth. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you're on the right file and page and that the frame you want to convert is clearly defined. It really helps if your layers are named sensibly and grouped, and if you've used auto layout where appropriate. Clean, organized designs generally convert more accurately and require less fixing later. Next, head to the Figma menu at the top left. This is the main hub for file options, settings, and extensions. From here, choose Plugins. Plugins extend Figma's capabilities, and this is exactly where we'll access the tool that bridges your design to WordPress. Inside the Plugins section, go to Manage Plugins. This view lets you find and launch plugins available to your account. It's also a convenient place to revisit tools you use often, so it's worth remembering how to get here. Use the search to look for a plugin called Figma to WordPress. There are a few similarly named tools, so read the name carefully and glance at the description to confirm it converts Figma designs into WordPress outputs. Once you locate it, open the plugin to begin. When the plugin starts, choose the option to connect to Figma. This step authorizes the plugin to read your file so it can map layers, export assets, and prepare the structure your WordPress site will use. If you see a brief permission prompt, confirm it so the plugin can proceed. Now copy the URL of your Figma project and paste it into the field the plugin provides. You can grab the link from the address bar or the shared dialog, depending on how you prefer to work. Make sure the link points to the correct file or page that contains the frame you want to convert. With the link in place, select Create Website. The plugin will process your design, interpret typography, colors, and spacing, and build the WordPress-ready output. This can take a moment, especially for larger files with many images or components. While it runs, avoid making changes to the design to keep everything consistent. That's it. Congratulations. Once the process completes, review the result, paying special attention to fonts, spacing, and responsiveness. Small adjustments are normal after an automated conversion, and a tidy Figma file makes those final tweaks much easier.